Welcome to Impact, bringing you global developments likely to affect Sri Lanka. This week we cover US likely to increase policy rates. Strong Indian rupee imports inflation into Sri Lankan economy. Saudi Arabia to reduce oil prices for Asia. On Wednesday, the US Federal Reserve will decide once again on its policy interest rates. As inflation persists, analysts are expecting rates to be increased by another 75 basis points for the fourth consecutive time. While the US dollar relative to a basket of foreign currencies has fallen from a 20-year high, a rise in rates is likely to offset recent declines. Impact on Sri Lanka. The overall impact is negative. While a stronger dollar helps Sri Lanka's exports, it makes imports more expensive, thus exacerbating the trade deficit. Also, the higher rate that US Treasuries now offer will see further capital outflows from emerging markets, such as Sri Lanka. The Indian rupee is strengthening against the dollar. Reuters is attributing such movements to rising hopes that major central banks will opt for a slower pace of rate hikes. Impact on Sri Lanka. In 2021, Sri Lanka's imports from India were about $4.8 billion, around 22% share. With Sri Lanka struggling to find dollars, a stronger Indian rupee will have an upward impact on its inflation. Reuters, citing trade sources, is reporting that Saudi Arabia may cut the prices of most crude grades to Asia in December. This follows weaker than expected fuel consumption in China amid its strict COVID-19 rules curtailing regional demand. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka currently purchases most of its oil in the spot market due to the country's dollar shortages. Lower prices will certainly assist with the country's current BOP issues. And that's a wrap for this week. Join us next time as we update you of global developments impacting Sri Lanka.